Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to export Blockbench textures. Exporting textures lets you use them in-game or edit them in other software. First, switch to the Paint tab in Blockbench. Finalize your textures first and make sure everything looks correct. Once you're done editing, go to the Textures panel on the left side of the screen. Select the texture you want to export. Right-click on the texture and choose Save As. Choose a location on your computer and save the file. Textures are usually saved as PNG files, as you can see here in the file type. And that's how to export Blockbench textures. Thank you so much for watching.